Hello guys, and welcome back to MSX Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to install previous or old NVIDIA drivers if your current one is causing issues. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is just go over to any browser of your choice. Once you go into a browser, go ahead and type in NVIDIA drivers and then go ahead and select the first link from www.nvidia.com. Anyways, once you are here, make your way over to GeForce drivers if you are using GeForce drivers. Now from here, go down until you see manual driver search. You can go ahead and use just fill out basically this. I have GeForce 40 series, I have a 4060, and then operating system is Windows 11. Then you can select, you can leave the other one as is. But anyways, go ahead and select start search. Now once the search is done, it will tell you the drivers. Now as you can see, this is the latest one. If you want to download the older ones, it will say release date Monday, May 12, etc., April 30. Whatever, just keep going back and back and back. Now that is how to basically install older NVIDIA drivers, and then that should be it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.